How to fix and solve PayPal payment was declined. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix and solve PayPal payment was declined issue. If it happens that it faces sort of issues, then what you can do is, in order to fix the issue, you could try updating your PayPal application first of all. So exit out of this page and go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in PayPal. Check whether the app is up to date or not. After updating it, try whether the issue is fixed or not. If that's not the case, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, what you want to do is you want to long press the PayPal application and go to this app info section. Over here, what next you want to do is go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache and clear storage as well. After you've done it, so you should be able to fix it. If not, you could also go ahead and reinstall the PayPal application, and then that should be able to fix the issue all at once. If that's nothing seems to be working out, then you could either contact the support team from the web browser or from the app itself, or you could go ahead and add a new credit card or link a new bank account. So you could go to this payment section, and here you could go to the wallet, and then you could go ahead and click on add credit card and replace it with the new one. That can be able to fix the issue all at once. So that's the way you could fix and solve PayPal payment was declined. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.